Lightweight, flexible construction balances comfort and performance. Padded and breathable materials stay comfortable during any activity. Fully adjustable to fit a wide range of body types and over heavy winter jackets. Specially designed quick-release buckle lets you get in and out easily even with gloves on. Stable platform for capturing incredibly immersive hands-free footage with GoPro cameras and Karma grip. Top reviews from the United States. Easily adjustable to fit round even large motorcycle jacket. Camera position too low though for motorcycle ride video with my setup, so easier vertical height adjust would have been helpful. Comfortable and stable videoing platform for GoPro cameras. Easy to use, adjust to fit, put on, take off. Light and effective. In my case though the view was a bit too low, so handlebar and motorcycle dash obstructed view more than I'd have liked. Harness can be tightened to raise camera, but then it'd be less comfortable. Recommended for motorcycle if you want to include view of dash or if you don't mind tightening for higher camera position.